Hello, this is Eric, Lonestar Acoustics, and today I want to show you an installation that we just completed in San Bernardino, California. With this particular facility, they are a manufacturing facility that also has some office areas, and they wanted to start off by treating a few offices in terms of improving privacy. So we treated in and around 3 offices so that it took care of the crosstalk through the walls so that you couldn't hear what someone was saying through the wall, and then also out in the corridor they had some sensitive human resources areas where uh, when they were meeting with their employees they didn't want other people to overhear. So we put in the QT100 control module by Cambridge Sound Management, along with a series of emitters that help to raise the ambient noise level of the office in order to reduce distractions, but also to improve privacy and to give them peace of mind as they were having these confidential conversations. This particular facility, we started just with a proof of concept, just to get the idea in there and to show them how the technology worked. And now we've expanded 3 other times, so a total of 4 trips out to take care of them. So as you can see, the Cambridge QT emitters blend in nicely with the ceiling tiles. A very small form factor of 3 inches that flush mounts in, so it just blends in and you don't even realize they're there, and they just do their thing. So we would love to be able to help you out with sound masking as well. Feel free to reach out to us by phone 972-787-0808 or by email sales@lonestaracoustics.com.